teri fenna twagisuula kubanga nga industry we are all stakeholders. So tewali mtu tukosobe kugamba ono yagisula fenna nga comedian titwakola kimala okugisigaza ku level gyeriko oba okugihambusa.
Ekituufu comedy
yagwa ekyo kyonkyogera. I have the moral authority to say this. Comedy went to the standards we were not expecting it to be. We are now trying to rebuild. Abana batandise ddala bana abapya batandise okuzimba ekintu kyabwe. That's why otakunda baku comedy ey'omwana omupya agezaako, because njagala kusupporting, njagala kulaga mu kusobola okukola ki okikomyawo ffenna.
So I said this were right.
To a certain point. Simbuno okugamba mbufe twakisula. Twakola kitusobola. When weevu ya music negiyingiramu ne tukusobola kukola ki okumaintaininga comedy ne tukifuula musical. Okitegeera comedy yo yagwa because music yagi supersedinga. Simbuno bacomedian tebali funny. Era waliwo twatuuka abacomedian abamusician nabo bafuuka creative nga buli bajja comedy show asooka n'asasamu ku bantu n'alyoka ayimba. Okitegeera so omuntu asobola okulaba agenda n'agamba bano wakati basesa n'okusesa. Okitegeera so ba musicians balina ki amagezi okutusinga. Simbuno ffe twalemerwa abamu tukyakola shows. That's why I'm hosting this event. We are doing well. Bamakulatu batambula, Maria kyatambula, Muhanja akyakola, naye nga units etusobola gamba comedy aliwo alina okubeera. Okitegeera but comedian bali kula bulungi ngabo individually ne as a unit okugamba mbu the comedy industry is bringing in this amount of money and is giving back this amount of money. We cannot judge that in terms of growth. Right now tetusobola kugamba comedy ekitamu sente kubanga kati buli omu ali ku kikye. Individually we are doing well. As a unit, as an industry, we are not. Only the association is in music. Music enough federation, enough association, enough comedians to enough. An association needs to be funded, needs support, not by government, not by Chi, but by us. Echibina, we are part of the association. We needed to subscribe. It send us exactly to Yambia, call meetings because the first meetings take up individually. Then I take a meeting in that big. Which take a rest. 2 meetings. Nanza spending kukunya venue bichi. Muhanji na ina atekam, Bujingo na ina atekam. Ne tunatekam mpaka dili. So whenever we try to tell comedians, select subscription. Just 100,000 per year, basically. Because to the center, I don't know what was faulting. I said it is EO. Tebalina minimum. So association in Netsuka Nikolaji, ne holding up wow. Otherwise, you need to take them further. The difference between us and musicians baina baki. Batani kabaina sale, ibaba sale katibaina federation through Eddie Kenzo. What the creative advisor, creativity, the advice is basically centered around music.